Now, women make 75% of Kenya's agricultural labor force, yet continue to face substantial barriers in accessing agri-food value chain, often dominated by men. A 2023 report by the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, reveals that women often hold vulnerable roles in agriculture, including informal, part-time, low-skilled jobs. In celebration of World Food Day 2024, which emphasized the right to better food for a better future, Farm Africa is now teaming up with representatives from farming and development sectors and exporters to alleviate food systems.
And it is quite important that we empower them so that they're able to enhance in terms of improving the livelihoods of the communities. And how we are able to break down those barriers, we provide them with trainings in terms of capacity building to improve their technical expertise.
You may think that women farmers in Kenya and 12 women from the UK food industry here fundraising to support them, that these women wouldn't have much in common, but they have everything in common. They want to build a food system that provides healthy, nutritious, affordable food for their families, and they want to make sure that they do that while being good to the planet.
In 1 acre, I used to harvest 5 bags of maize. Right now, those 5 beans or the 5 bags I'm harvesting in a quarter of a land, in which now that is the demo that I use